Hello dear student, sum number 8.3. Suppose there existed a planet that went around the sun twice as fast as the earth. मतलब अर्थ से वो twice fast घूम रहा है, right? That means you can say that the periodic time for planet that is equal to half than that is the periodic time of the earth. Therefore, Tp upon Te is considered as a 1 by 2. Okay. What would be the orbital size as compared to that of the earth? That is, you want to find out the orbital size of the planet, right? Chalo friends, see. Matlab that is here you want a relation between periodic time and the orbital radius. So here we can use the Kepler's third law of the planetary motion. That is, you can say using Kepler's third law, that is a T square is proportional to R cube. Therefore, you can say T for earth whole square is proportional to R of P whole cube, and you can say periodic time for the planet its square is directly proportional to, okay, see it is a earth, R P whole cube. Okay, now what you can say, taking a ratio. So when you take a ratio, that is the Tp upon Te whole square is equal to Rp upon Re whole cube. Okay. Therefore, Rp upon Re, that is Tp upon Te, the power is 2 by 3. Therefore, Rp is equal to Tp upon Te. यहाँ पर हमने देखा what it is a 1 by 2. That means you can say it is a 1 by 2. The power is 2/3 into Re. Therefore, you can say Rp, when you solve this, then you will get 0.63 Re. Okay. If you consider radius of earth, that is the Re is equal to 1 AU. Therefore, you can say Rp is equal to 0.63 into 1, 0.63 AU, right friends? तो यहाँ पर हमने यूज़ किया था Kepler's third law. Next sum 8.4. One of the satellite of Jupiter has an orbital period 1.769 days. That is periodic time for Jupiter 1.769 days. Okay. Then you will convert it into second. 1.769. 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour, that is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay. And the radius of the orbit, that is the Rj, that is a 4.22 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Show that the mass of Jupiter is about the 1000 that of the Sun. Okay. Chalo, how you will solve this? So here we are using same the Kepler's third law, using Kepler's third law, mass of the satellite, using Kepler's third law, mass of the planet is given by m is equal to 4 pi square r cube upon g t square. Therefore, you can say that m is proportional to r cube upon t square. Okay. Therefore, ms upon mj, that is equal to re cube upon te cube tj cube, सॉरी इट इज़ अ स्क्वायर, ये हो जाएगा स्क्वायर एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ स्क्वायर अपॉन आर जे cube. Okay, that is you can say re upon rj whole cube into tj upon te whole square, that is equal to, we will substitute the value ms upon mj, substitute the value, what is the re? So, 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 upon rj, that is a 4.22 into 10 raised to 8, the power is a cube, tj, that is 1.76924 into 3600 upon, what is the periodic time for earth, that is a 365.25 days into 24 into 3600 square. Okay. So, when you solve this, that is a 1046, that is okay, that is mj upon ms, or you can say here mj. Okay, can you say it is a nearly equal to 1000, mj is equal to ms upon 1000. Therefore, you can say the mass of Jupiter is about 1000 that of Sun. ओके, सो इट इज प्रूव. तो ये इक्वेशन आपको बनाना पड़ेगा या फिर याद रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो m इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई स्क्वायर r क्यूब अपॉन जी टी स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट सम, that is the 8.5. Let us assume that our galaxy consists of 2.5 into 10 raised to 11 star, each of mass of 1 solar mass. How long will a star at a distance of 50,000 light year from the galactic center take to complete one revolution? Take the diameter of the Milky Way to be 10 raised to 5 light year. Okay. So, here we can say that first we will write the data, that is here mass of each star, m is equal to 1 solar mass. So, you should know what is the mass of 1 solar mass, that is a 2 into 10 raised to 30 kilogram. It is the mass of the sun. The number of number of stars in galaxy, that is the n is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to 11. Okay, therefore total mass of galaxy m is equal to m into n, that is the total number of stars से multiply कर लेंगे. That means you can say 2 into 10 raised to 30 into 2.5 into 10 raised to 11, 5 into 10 raised to 41 kilogram. Okay, and another thing is given that the diameter of the Milky Way is about 10 raised to 5 light year. That means here you can say that the orbital radius of the star, so r is equal to 10 raised to 5 light year, that is a 10 raised to 5, 1 light year is equal to 4.96 into 10 raised to 15 मीटर. ये कन्वर्जन आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. That means 50,000. Okay, sorry, it is not 10 raised to 5 light year, it is 50,000 light year. So that is 50,000 and 1 light year, that is equal to 4.96 into 10 raised to 15 meter. So when you solve this, it is 4.73 into 10 raised to 20 meter, right? So here you want to find out the periodic time, that is the one revolution के लिए periodic time. So here we can say that according to Kepler's third law, you can say from Kepler's third law, T square is equal to 4 pi square r cube upon g into m. Okay, now we can say that T is equal to, we'll substitute all this value, 4 into pi square मतलब 3.14 whole square. R जो हमने निकाला था that is a 4.73 into 10 raised to 20 whole cube upon the value of G 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 and M is 5 into 10 raised to 41. Okay, and here स्क्वायर चला जाएगा मतलब यहाँ पर आ जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट, इधर 10 raised to 20 थोड़ा सा okay. So when you solve this, then it is 1.255 into 10 raised to 32, the power is half, so it is nearly equal to, you can say 1.12 into 10 raised to 16 second, right? Now if you want to convert it into here, so you can say 1.12 into 10 raised to 16 upon 365.25 days into 24 hour into 3600 year. So here you can say that 3.54 into 10 raised to 8 year, right friends? So here also we are using the same, that is the Kepler's थर्ड लॉ। नेक्स्ट सम 8.12। तो यहाँ पर हम वैल्यू बेस्ड सम कर रहे हैं। सो 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 वैल्यू बेस है, वैल्यू बेस नहीं है, वो एप्लीकेशन बेस पर है। विल डिस्कस लेटर। नाउ 8.12, अ रॉकेट इज फायर फ्रॉम अर्थ टूवर्ड्स द सन। At what distance from the earth? At what distance from the earth's center is the gravitational force on rocket is 0. The mass of the sun is given, the mass of earth is given. Okay, we'll write down mass of the sun, that is 2 into 10 raised to 30 kg. Mass of the earth, that is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Neglect the effect of other planet. And orbital radius, that is here you can say r is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 11, 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 मीटर। फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर हम इस तरह से देखेंगे इसको कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल रॉकेट इज फायर फ्रॉम द अर्थ टूवर्ड्स द सन। ओके, that means here you can say it is earth and it is sun. Okay, और सपोज यहाँ पर है रॉकेट हमारा, it is a rocket. You can say m is the mass of the rocket, me is the mass of the earth and ms is the mass of the sun. राइट और अर्थ टू सन, सपोज ये डिस्टेंस हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं r, राइट। अब सपोज यहाँ से ये जो डिस्टेंस है दैट इज द x, सो ये डिस्टेंस क्या रहेगा, यू कैन से इट इज r माइनस x। ओके, सो हियर यू कैन से लेट x डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम earth, x distance from earth on rocket force due to earth and sun equal, right? That is force at a point P due to earth, that is equal to force at a point P due to sun. So यहाँ पर हम यूज़ करेंगे न्यूटन्स यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन, that is here you can say gmem upon x square, that is equal to gms m upon r minus x whole square. So here you can say gm get cancel, therefore r minus x upon x whole square, therefore r minus x whole square upon x whole square, that is equal to क्या होगा, that is the ms upon me, that is what ms upon me, right? Therefore here you can say r minus x upon x whole square. What is the mass of the sun? You can say 2 into 10 raised to 30, and mass of the earth, that is a 6 into 10 raised to 24. So you can say it is 10 raised to 6, 30 minus 24 upon 3. Okay. Therefore r minus x upon x, that is equal to root of 10 raised to 6 upon 3, that is a 10 raised to 3 upon root 3. Okay. अब यहाँ पर हम इंडिविजुअल ले रहे हैं, दैट इज द r अपॉन x माइनस x अपॉन x, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, दैट इज द 10 रेज टू 3 अपॉन रूट 3. देयरफॉर r अपॉन x, दैट इज द 10 रेज टू 3 अपॉन रूट 3 प्लस 1. Okay, so here you can say that when you solve this, that is the r upon x, that is equal to 578.35. Okay, therefore x is equal to r upon 578.35. चलो r दैट इज अ डिस्टेंस, तो ये दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, तो डिस्टेंस इज 1.5 इंटू 10⁻11, सो 1.5 इंटू 10⁻11 अपॉन 578.35. So when you solve this, then you have answer 2.6 into 10⁸8 meter. So it is your x distance, right friends? तो इजी है, यहाँ पर हमने दो फोर्स को कंपेयर किया, दैट इज अ फोर्स ऑन दिस पॉइंट P, दैट इज अ रॉकेट, ड्यू टू अर्थ, दैट इज इक्वल टू ड्यू टू सन, राइट फ्रेंड्स? इट इज वेरी इजी, थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन में आपको केयर करनी है. नेक्स्ट सम, दैट इज 13. हाउ विल यू वेट द सन, दैट इज द एस्टिमेटेड मास. द मीन ऑर्बिटल रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन is a 1.5 into 10⁸8 kilometer. That is r is equal to 1.5 into 10⁸8 kilometer, 1.5 into 10⁻11 meter. And what is the periodic time? That is equal to 1 year, that is equal to 365.25 days into 24 hour into 3600 second. Okay, so once again, whenever you like this sum, then we'll use Kepler's third law. Okay, that is, here we can say that from Kepler's third law, you can say that t square is equal to 4 pi square upon gm into r cube. Okay, you want to find out m, that is equal to 4 pi square r cube upon g into t square. Okay, that is equal to 4 pi square, that is equal to 3.14 whole square, r cube, that is a 1.5 into 10⁻11 whole cube. The g is 6.67 into 10⁻11 and t square, that is a 365.25, you can consider 365 also, into 24 into 3600 whole square. So when you solve this, then you have nearly answer, that is a 2 into 10⁻30 kilogram. Okay, so by this way you can estimate the mass of the sun. Okay, next sum, 8.14. A Saturn year is 9.5 into Earth year. How far is the Saturn from the sun if the Earth is 150 into 10⁸8 kilometer away from the sun? Okay, that means here we can say that Saturn year that is equal to 0.5 into Earth year. That means Ts, that is equal to 29.5 into Te. Therefore, you can say Ts upon Te, that is equal to 29.5. Okay, here given that Re, that is equal to 1.5 into 10⁸8 किलोमीटर. ओके, सपोज हम किलोमीटर रखें तो हमारा आंसर भी किलोमीटर में ही होगा. ओके, चलो नाउ से Here using Kepler's third law, using Kepler's third law, that is, here we can say that T square is proportional to R cube, therefore Ts upon Te whole square is equal to Rs upon Re whole cube. Okay. You want to find out Rs. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? हाउ फार Saturn फ्रॉम दिस, मतलब Rs इज योर क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो Rs के फॉर्म में इक्वेशन लिखे, दैट इज Rs अपॉन Re, दैट इज इक्वल टू Ts अपॉन Te, द पावर इज 2/3. Therefore Rs is equal to Re into Ts upon Te, the power is 2/3. Okay, now tell me what is the Re? That is a 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometer, and Ts upon Te, that is a 29.5, the power is 2/3. Your answer in kilometer, right? So when you solve this, that is a 1.42 into 10 raised to 9 kilometer, that is equal to, you can say 1.42 into 10 raised to 12 meter, right friends? So here it is like this.